trong miền lòng nhìn nhìn chỉ trong miền cùng lúc số xiên không bật pin số xa bật pin cùng lúc số xiên không bật pin số xa bật pin.
Just a quick message to the people that are coming in October for their mission. What would you say? How can they prepare for this trip?
Okay, one thing that I want to say to those who wish to come to Cambodia to prepare your heart for the Lord. What God will speak to your heart when you come to Cambodia. Because I think that the heart is very important, that what is God's name. I do believe that God will reveal to you what He wants you to see and what kind of vision that God wants to impact to you and how can you will be a part of His great commission or His mission. And for me, on behalf of our people here, we would like to say you are warmly welcome to work with us.
Thank you so much. Thank you very much, Kun. Thank you.
Không bật pin sóng xa bật pin cùng lúc số xiên không bật pin sóng xa bật pin